Go live and get paid with Instagram badges. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can enable badges inside of Instagram so you can start making money every single time you go live. What's up guys, Seb here from Wolf Media. So like I said at the start of this video, we're going to be showing you how to enable Instagram badges and how you can start making money just by going live via Instagram. Now before we get started, there are a few requirements to actually get the badge feature. So the first requirement is that you're going to have to be 18 years old or over. The second requirement is that your Instagram page has to either be a creator account or a business account. So it cannot be a personal account if you want to start making money from it. And then the third requirement is that you have to comply with Instagram's monetization policies. So to quickly do a quick demonstration on how you can actually see if you're eligible for Instagram badges, what we're going to do is open up the Instagram app. And then what we're going to do is select our profile. Now from here, what we're going to do is select the burger menu. And then what we're going to do is select settings. And then you just have to head over to either creator or business account, depending which account you are. And then from here, you'll have a badges button. All you have to do is click on the badges, and then it will have this little page right here. So you'll have your status and it will have eligible. So if you are eligible, you can click on here and it will say that you are eligible, and there'll be a button that you can press on which will say apply now. And if you aren't eligible, it'll actually tell you the reasons why you aren't eligible. But essentially, you just need to be reviewing the partner monetization policies as well as reviewing the community guidelines. And then for 99% of the accounts, you should be eligible for Instagram badges. Once you've done that, you just have to enter in your payout settings. So essentially either linking your PayPal account or your bank to Instagram so they can actually pay you every single month, and then you should be good to go. Now, in order to activate Instagram badges, head over to your homepage and then click on the plus button. And then what you're going to do is select live. Now from here, you can actually click on the setting button on the top right, and then all you have to do is select live once again. And then here, it'll give you the option to enable or disable badges. So if you wanted to go live every single time and have badges enabled, then all you have to do is select on, and then you just have to go back. And then here you can just press the live button, and then Instagram badges will automatically be enabled. So that's how to activate Instagram badges so you can now get paid whenever you go live. Just be aware, whenever you do activate these Instagram badges, it will deactivate the Q&A feature in your lives. So people can still ask you questions in the Q&A feature, but you won't be allowed to pop them on the actual live itself. So you can read out all the questions, but then your viewers won't actually be able to see which questions you've selected, and they won't pop up on the live feed. So just keep that into account whenever you go live on Instagram. If you're wondering why that's not working, well, that is the case. For some reason, you can only have one or the other, but that's how you can start making money on Instagram just by going live. I hope you did like this video. If you did, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Loads more Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and business tips coming in the future weeks. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.